what is it, 26th of May, 2010, 6:18 p.m. Me and storm chaser Kris Rhodes are en route to New Coin to intercept my mother, who decided to ride her motorcycle in the rain in severe thunderstorm. And this is definitely going on YouTube.
She's like, I'm not good at riding in the rain. Don't put that on me. You can ride in the rain for a lifetime. It still hurts.
Well, then hail would probably happen. But that'd be the sucking. Have you ever rode in a hailstorm? That sucks.
John and I were made in the rain on a motorcycle.
In the rain? That would suck. Look at that. See those big drops? That's a sign of hail. That's hail that's melted pretty much. So we're in pretty good spell. Oh yeah.
Got that rain?
No, Walmart brand, whatever that is, they filled it up. I got Rain-X in the back though. Yeah. That may be Rain-X, I don't know. Yeah, no, it's more. That was nice. Rain-X. Well, it could be. It's all drooping up like Rain-X would, but then again, speed, velocity, and physics. Man, it is raining heavy up ahead. You can't see nothing. We're getting ready to get into it.
Great.
Wow. Don't you pull out. Wow. Heavy torrential rainfall at Crab Orchard Lake between Carterville, Illinois, and Cambria, Illinois. This is Shawn Gossman, storm chaser, with soon-to-be stepdad, Kris Rhodes. A little bit of wind. Oh yeah, baby, give it to me. Look. And now we're entering Cambria, Illinois. Holy shit! This is Kris. He is talking to my mom, who decided to ride her motorcycle to work. She's going on YouTube.
Yeah, we're storm chasing in the process to get ready.
Yeah. Oh, hey, that's pussy rain. Pussy rain. Pussy rain. I've seen worse. Oh, a hydroplane. little pond in the roadway. Oh! Damn! We got a whole giant pond in the roadway. Wow! I can't see, but 100 feet in front of me. I probably should get operating the camera. Oh! That's on video! Ha ha ha! That's on video. Wow! Damn! I bet no one has power around there. Folks, that was lightning. It hit within 100 feet in front of my vehicle. And that was nuts. Did you see that, Kris? Did you see the massive explosion? I peed a little. A little wind?
Yeah,
who knows? Oh, I hope the video got that. I'm sure it did. Yeah, it's windy now. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. It should be. Maybe it's a tornado warning. I don't know. I have my weather radio going. You know this going on YouTube. You're talking about peeing. We are in Cambria, Illinois. I'm trying to darn this stuff to wreck the hydroplane. Oh wow. Lightning. My mother sure did pick a lovely time for me to come pick her up.
You are? Oh, yeah. That's fun.
What would she do without her boy? Oh, that's a big pond. Oh, that's a big old fucking pond in the middle of the road. Alright, it's official Cambria flood. Apparently, here's another pond.
Yeah, check it out. Wow.
Damn! Cambria really floods. I've never even noticed Cambria floods this much.
Yeah. It'll be a while before we get back to field.
Huh?
It'll be a while before we get back to field now.
Yeah.
Never gonna get
Well, the good thing is that my old garden could have used it.
yeah.
I hadn't put down water in a while, and I'm sure it's nice and soaked. Alright, I better